Okay, let's see how our meat is doing. Oh, 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 oh. Yeah, this is one thing that I don't like about assorted meats, the water. The water will become more increasing and increased, but it is fine. We shall conquer everything. And I don't want this meat to overcook. Okay, let's see our tomatoes, garlic, bell pepper, onions, and pepper, how they are doing. Yeah, they are getting dried. This is nice. This is nice. I just wanted to get dried before I blend them. Guys, I've already steamed our tomatoes. Now, time for we to blend our tomatoes. Tomatoes, onions, garlic, and bell pepper. Steam very, very well. Onions. Yes. Yeah, baby. Okay, the time to put our seasoning and salt. Okay, ooh. The time for our meat inside the stew. Remember that this meat has already been cooked, and I don't want my meat to get too much stuff. So I'm just going to put it and remove it away from the gas cooker. Our stew is ready. Hey, wow. You can see the aroma that is in this kitchen is something else. I swear to God. It is something else. Come and join us to eat, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I love you.